Hi, my name is Mike Challis. I'm the developer of Uncomplicated Forms, a fast, secure, and uncomplicated WordPress form builder. In the last tutorial, we set up a Contact Us page on our WordPress website. Today, I'm going to explain how to protect it from spam and bots. So let's get into it. Let's go edit the form. Actually, first, let's take a look at the form we made last time. We have a Contact Us page, but we don't have any security on it. Let's take a look at what we have available in the Uncomplicated Forms settings. So let's go to the admin menu under UC Forms, Form Manager. We're selecting Form 1, our Contact Us page. Let's look on the Security tab. So we do have a multi-layered spam defense. Cloudflare Turnstile. This provides an automated, privacy-first alternative to frustrating interactive puzzles. It verifies human traffic silently, keeping layout rendering times fast and accessible. It blocks the bots. Also, we have an invisible honeypot system that puts some random fields in that bots would tend to fill in, and it'll block if those hidden fields are filled in. Also, we have Akismet. If you already use Akismet spam prevention for comments on your blog, you can check and enable this. If you don't use it, don't worry. No need to go register that. We're going to use the Cloudflare. So you can get your keys for free. Just click this button to go get your free Turnstile keys, register an account, put in your domain of your website, and get your keys. Come back with the site key, the secret key, put them in and check and enable it. I'm going to go get my keys now. I'm going to pause the video and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went and got my Cloudflare keys. I put in the site key, the secret key. I enabled it with the checkbox, and I click Save Settings. And now my form is protected. Let's just reload the page. And there it is. So we have the success. It is protected. So now if a bot tries to come and fill out your form, it will be blocked. So this is how you protect your WordPress forms. Some advanced features of this. Sometimes you have more than one form on your site. You might have your contact page, you might have a support form or a survey. They're completely isolated and individualized. I've made the programming code smart enough that if you click the submit button on one form, it's not going to interact with the other forms. So nothing to worry about there. Also, if you have a other Cloudflare plugin protecting your login form, this isn't going to conflict with that either. It's completely isolated to my plugin here. So that's a good thing to know. And there you have it. We have added the protection to our forms of Uncomplicated Forms for WordPress. You can find more information on our website, uncomplicatedforms.com. We have documentation. If you scroll down to the bottom here and you click on documentation, you're going to find a lot of information on how to do things with the, like, here's the security and spam prevention. And it says right here how to enable the Cloudflare Turnstile and about the Akismet spam prevention. So that concludes my video. Be sure to subscribe if you like these kind of tutorials. I have a playlist. You can watch my other videos. If you want to suggest something, then just go to my website, uncomplicatedforms.com, click Contact Us, and send me a message. That's it. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.